So now we're moving on to our third part of this course. And as you can see, you are in this phase, which is the cocoon. So I'm sure na, or since nandito na kayo at this third phase, I believe na as you go along the way, you are learning and you are growing. No? So, dito sa topic na to, or sa cocoon, we're gonna talk about one of the most important or one of the key factors that will make a trader profitable. And that topic is the risk management. No? So in this topic or in this phase, you'll learn about the foundations of risk. So dito, di-discuss natin kung ano nga ba yung risk and how does it goes along with uncertainty, as well as the position sizing, leveraging, the margin, and different terms that will help us in understanding what is risk and how do we manage this risk. Next is we have the trading psychology. Dito naman pag-uusapan natin yung iba't ibang behavior ng traders on or during they are trading. And then we also have the risk control models. Kasi nga, 'di ba, we are trying to manage our risk, and since we are trying to manage our risk, we have to understand that there are different risk control models that would help us in managing those risks. And then we also have the risk profile. Kasi 'di ba, we are always emphasizing that the market is subjective. And since the market is subjective, we have different preferences, we have different strategies, and we have different perspective on different markets, no? Or in a particular market. So, ngayon we have to understand that understanding the risk profile is one of the important things kasi nga it would give us an edge sa market. Next is the external pressures. Now, in this topic, we will talk about this different external factors that may affect your trading performance. We also have the strategy validation and performance tracking. Dito naman pag-uusapan natin yung mga backtesting, forward testing, or how do you process the data, as well as the journaling, no? Which is yung performance tracking. Now, this helps us understand kung paano nga ba tayo mag-i-improve, no? Kasi we cannot do a simple thing over and over again nang hindi binabago or hindi nag-a-adjust, kasi nga there would be times na hindi mag-work yung strategy natin, or probably walang edge yung strategy natin, which is one of the reason why traders are unprofitable. And lastly, we'll create our personal risk system, no? Or you will create your personal risk system. So, lahat ng to, we'll talk about this in this topic, no? Or in this phase. And hopefully, along the way, you'll be able to guide yourself as well in creating your personal risk system.